When preparing your ADR books for training, revision or exam use, good tabbing can make a huge difference to how quickly and confidently you can find information. My preferred approach is to start from the back of the book and work forwards. This may feel a little unusual at first, but practically it works much better. As you add each tab, the next one sits neatly in front of the previous tab, which means the tabs will flow more naturally down the side of the book. If you start at the front and work forwards, the tabs can sometimes become awkward, crowded or harder to line up. The key thing to remember is that tabbing is not about marking every single page. If you over-tab the book, it can actually become harder to use. The aim is to highlight the main sections you will need to return to regularly. For ADR, useful areas to tab include the dangerous goods list, special provisions, limited quantities, packing instructions, marking, labelling and documentation, vehicle equipment, exemptions, and the key tables used during classification and transport checks. It's also worth thinking about how you personally use the books. Your tabs should support your way of navigating ADR and not to just look neat on the shelf. A well-tabbed ADR book should act like a navigation tool. It helps you move around the regulations quickly, reduces the time spent searching, and builds confidence when answering questions or checking compliance. Ultimately, the better your book is organised, the easier it becomes to use ADR correctly.